All right, so this is not necessarily directly scan tool related, but you may find yourself in a situation where you're wanting to do evaporative emission system testing on certain applications, and you're looking through your scan tool to find the bidirectional control for the EVAP vent solenoid, and it may not be there. Well, there's possibly a good reason for that. It may actually be due to the architecture of the vehicle itself. Now, in this case, we've got this 2015 Chrysler 200 here, and this particular vehicle is equipped with something known as ESIM, that's Evaporative System Integrity Monitor, and it doesn't have an electrically actuated vent solenoid that can be bidirectionally controlled. It actually has a weighted valve system internally inside of this assembly. And so in this particular case, what we're going to actually have to do in order to do evaporative emission system testing, whether it's a smoke test, whether it's a flow test, we're going to have to access the exit point for the vent, and that is actually found on this vehicle at the canister right here. And as a matter of fact, I've already removed this filter. It mounts to on the top side of the assembly. I've already removed this so I can access the hose. And in this case, what we would do is we would have to find a way of blocking off this vent point or this vent port, this hose, so that it is that we can then proceed with smoke testing or flow testing. Of course, we'll have to find some method of doing that, whether it's a plug, whether it's a piece of tape or whatever, but whatever works, we can do that in order to block that hose off in order to do our testing. Now, of course, this Chrysler is not the only system that does not have an electrically operated vent solenoid. There are some other manufacturers out there that have a similar system. But hopefully, this gives you some information that can be helpful the next time you encounter an evaporative emission system that does not have an electrically actuated vent solenoid, so that you can do flow testing and smoke testing on that system.